DS diving here June 23rd at Barefoot Cottage 2 for the Jacks On, Jacks Off residents out here at Trinity Creek. I'm going to do an inspection video. Let's go take a look. About 6 to 8 inches deep here. At high tide. See if I can get this blue crab to fucking move so I can see if there's a zinc. All the zincs are in alright condition. There's R4 trim tab zincs. Let's double check the rudders. It's like a foot deep back here. And no rudder zincs, and then some shaft zincs that are in good shape that we'll get a measurement of whenever the cleaning's done. The transom zinc is a large 2-bolt diver's plate, heavy. DS diving, thank you.